Here's my computer. I built it about 2 years ago with my dad. And from there on, it has been working pretty well. It's a pretty decent computer. It has a great processor, a great graphic card, and I never really had any issues with it. Except one. Space. Here's my SSD of 250 gigs, and here is my hard drive of 2 terabytes. You might think that 2 terabytes is a lot, and it is, except if you are a filmmaker or a photographer, which is my case. I had to find a solution for that. A new hard drive!